Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to purchase a TaxTron Professional Web license. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official TaxTron website. Once the website loads, click on Products from the top menu. Under the Web Products section, select Professional Web. If you already have a TaxTron account, click Sign In. If you're a new user, click Sign Up and create a new account. After signing in, the TaxTron Web software will open. In the top left corner, click on your email address. A menu will appear with several options. Select Profile. On the Profile page, you'll see several sections that need to be completed before purchasing a license. Start with the Account section and enter the required information about yourself and your firm. Next, review the Quebec section. If you prepare Quebec tax returns, select Yes, and complete the additional information requested. If not, select No and continue. You can then review the location sections. The User section allows you to invite additional team members and assign roles such as Administrator, Reviewer, or Preparer. Once all required information has been entered, click on the Licenses section. Here, you can choose the license products you would like to purchase, including T1 Personal Tax, T2 Corporate Tax, T3 Trust Tax, and lastly, e-sign. After selecting the desired license, scroll down and click Add to Cart. Once your selected products have been added to the cart, proceed to checkout and complete the payment process. And that's it! You have successfully purchased a TaxTron Professional Web license. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.